Hey daisies, welcome back to my channel. So Valentine's Day is quickly approaching, and in this video I want to share with you how to create a bar table within your home, or if you have a bar cart, how you can decorate it for Valentine's Day, as well as creating a nice little cozy space if you want to have a date night in for Valentine's Day instead of going out. So I want to do this very inexpensively by using items and decor pieces that I already have within my own home. So I'm just going to add a few tiered trays, apothecary jars, and some cute little decor that I got from the Target dollar spot, and some treats that actually came from the Dollar Tree. And this is it, a cute little simple bar table with a few sweet treats, some wine of your choice, and if you're not a drinker, they have sparkling rosé and sparkling juice that you can use instead. Really simple, just adding some candles and some candle lights, some cute little blinged out trays. These little heart-shaped cakes are Little Debbie cakes. I love the Valentine's Little Debbie cakes. And then these donuts came from Dunkin' Donuts. They're the strawberry glaze with the Valentine sprinkles on top. And these little Hershey's Kisses, I found 2 packs at the Dollar Tree for $1 each, of course. So it was really inexpensive just to do this using things I already had at home and adding some little sweets and treats to it as well. So moving on to the little cozy setup in front of the fireplace. I laid out one of my throw blankets off of my sofa, and if you love pillows the way that I love pillows, then I'm pretty sure you have a plethora on your sofa, and I've just taken them off and put them over here on the floor and stacked them up really cute. I'm adding this marble tray. I've had this for a while, but it always comes in handy when I want to do things like this or breakfast in bed or things like that. So I'm adding some candlelight and some fresh cut fruit, some grapes and some strawberries. Now you can also take the Wilson's chocolate melts and dip the strawberries in the chocolate. They have white chocolate, all different colors, even pink chocolate. It tastes really good. And of course, dinner if you're cooking in or if you're ordering takeout. It is a weeknight. This setup just creates a nice little ambiance for whatever you decide to do for that evening. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. I hope you all have a very happy Valentine's Day. Let me know down below, what are your plans for Valentine's Day? For me, it's looking more like a night in because Valentine's Day does fall on a work night, at least until the weekend anyway. But I will see you all in the next video. As always, thanks so much for watching. Bye daisies.